In this video, I'm breaking down the best and worst cuts to use for smoking so you stop wasting money and cook better barbecue. So low and slow barbecue needs things like fat and connective tissue that will break down to help keep the meat nice, tender and juicy. Typically anything too lean will dry out before the meat becomes nice and tender. So basically avoid any cuts that are too lean and go for cuts with some connective tissue and fat in there. So the main cuts I'll avoid for low and slow barbecuing are beef topside. That muscle is far too lean and will dry out very easy. That cut is much better off used for something like beef jerky or roasting to a medium rare doneness. I'll also avoid things like knuckle undercut, eye round and silverside, unless it's corn silverside, meaning it's been brined, so it's going to stay much juicier due to the fact that it has been brined. So just to reiterate, those cuts I've mentioned to avoid aren't just bad cuts in general, they're just not suitable for that low and slow style of cooking. Now the best cuts to use for low and slow style cooking, the first thing that comes to my mind is brisket. A good brisket will have plenty of intramuscular fat, some connective tissue in there, and it just breaks down beautifully during that smoking process. Another one to look out for is chuck. Typically you're not going to slice it like you do a brisket, but it makes for some great pulled beef, and it's generally going to be a little bit cheaper than brisket as well. Another one of my favorite beef cuts that's a little bit richer in flavor is beef cheeks. They make some fantastic pulled beef. And then two of my other favorite beef cuts for low and slow barbecuing are beef short ribs and beef shins. And shout out to the Thomas Farms Norwood store for allowing me to get these visuals for the video. Now moving on to pork, it's very much the same as beef, so I'll be avoiding any cuts like pork leg or pork loin and using them for roasting, and I'll be favoring cuts from the shoulder and the belly for low and slow barbecuing. And if you are a pork lover, generally it's going to be cheaper than beef and lamb, so if you want the best bang for buck, definitely go some of those low and slow pork cuts. Then with lamb, obviously your lamb shanks and your lamb shoulder are going to be your best options for low and slow barbecuing. Lamb legs come up pretty good too, as there's a little bit more fat in there as opposed to something like a pork leg. And again, the lamb cut I would avoid when low and slow barbecuing are things like your lamb rack or lamb loin, so anything with the loin in it, because it's far too lean and that cut is better suited for roasting. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did make this video because it was a repeated suggestion when I asked you guys what videos you want to see more of. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below, or if you think I've missed any information related to this video, definitely let us know in the comments below as well. But for now, that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.